Welcome to my video. In this video I show you how to check the status of all ports of network devices at the same time by Microsoft Excel. In the next video, I will show you how to monitor the bandwidth each port. Make sure these network devices support SNMP. In this video I'm going to check the status of all ports on a switch. On this switch I have enabled SNMP. First, you use the MIB browser software to find a list of the OIDs of the switch device. Enter the correct IP address of the network device. The link to download this software is in the description of the video. Here is a list of the switch's ports and their corresponding OID list. These OIDs will tell you whether the port is up or down. If the result is 1, the port is up, and if the result is 2, the port is down. You need to save these lists to use them in the next steps. Note that you need to save a Microsoft Excel file with the extension Excel SNMP. At this point, you add commands to see the status of the ports. You connect to your network device using SNMP. Enter the correct IP address of the network device. Next, I check the port 1 status with the OID found in the previous step. The result I get is 1, so the port is up. Next, I will assign green to port 1 if the port is up and white if port 1 is down. As you can see, port 1 has turned green. You perform a loop to assign the colors to the switch's odd ports. Next, do the same for the switch's even ports. In the next video, I will show you how to monitor the bandwidth each port. Remember to subscribe to the channel to follow the next video. I will add some commands to make it easier for you to observe. Finally, you add a button to execute the commands you just added. And so you can check the status of all the ports of your switch more easily. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.